Okay, so we're going to just go over how to subtract fractions quickly. Okay, so to subtract fractions quickly, I'm going to start. I'm going to start here. Let me pick a color, and let me do 6/8 minus. Let's do 2/5. So when we do the 6/8 minus the 2/5, first thing we still want to take a look at is our denominators. So our denominators here are 8 and 5. All right. So the 8 and 5, I'm going to multiply. All right. So I am going to multiply them. 8 times 5 equals 40. So we know now that our denominator may not be our least common denominator, but a common denominator is going to be 40. Now when we have here, we can, okay? Up until now, we've always done list your common multiples of 8, right? And we would list them, and then we'd have the common multiples of 5, all right? And we're going to keep on listing them. And here you would see, we would get 40 as a common denominator. But I'm going to say here we don't have to, okay? We don't have to go through and list everything anymore. When you have your initial problem right up here, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to take this 5 and 6, multiply it together, and get 30. Then I'm going to multiply the 8 and the 2, and I'm going to get 16, which will give me 30 minus 16. 30 minus 16 over 40. Now, what is 30 minus 16? 30 minus 16 is 14. So 30 minus 16, erase that. It's going to be 14. And your answer is going to be 14 is going to be 14 over 40. Okay? So now we have the 14 over 40, and I'm taking a look. I can't find my sticky note. I'm going to see if it's going to work here, and say, remember, this isn't in simplest form. You will need to reduce. So let's see how that works. All right. So now I'm going to get right there. Remember, this isn't in simplest form, so we're going to reduce. Now, I apologize for that. And then you'll have 14 over 40. I'm going to do another video on how a quick way to reduce fractions, but I want to leave this video right here. Okay, I could even very quickly, if I wanted to. Okay, so I'm going to move my screen over here and say, let's try another one. Let's try, what if I had 7/9 minus 2/3? All right, let's multiply our denominators. 9 times 3. Oh, get out of that. 9 times 3 is 27. So we know we're doing on 9 times 3 first is 27. Okay. This is common denominator. All right. Now I'm going to cross multiply. 3 times 7 gives us 21. 9 times 2 gives us 18. So we have to put up here 21 minus 18. And what is 21 minus 18? 21 minus 18 is going to give you 3. So I'm going to erase that. I'm going to put in 3. 3/27. Now I'll give that same disclaimer here that it's going to be, you are going to need to reduce, but this will give you your answer, 3/27. Okay, so that was a quick video on how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators quickly.